Okay, this is a quick tutorial on how to use Bybit and how to set up a trade on Bybit. Firstly, make sure to install Bybit. It's an app available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store, and also verify your account. Get your account verified. If you're a Nigerian, you can verify with your BVN or your NIN. After you must have verified, if you want to fund your account, click on Assets. Click on Assets and click on Deposit. You can deposit with your currency. I'm a Nigerian, so I can buy with my Nigerian card, or you can use the P2P option, which is buying from vendors, or you can deposit via crypto. You can deposit any cryptocurrency of your choice. And now, having known how to deposit, you have to understand that once you make a deposit, your deposit will stay on your funding account. Your deposit will stay on your funding account. And when a coin or any of your deposits is on your funding account, you cannot use it to do anything or to place any trade on your funding account. For you to use it to place a trade either on sports trading or derivative, which is another form of futures trading, you will need to transfer it to your unified trading account. And to do that, just click on transfer and make sure that funding is selected, and on the down place is unified trading account, and then click on this place to select the cryptocurrency which you want to transfer. Once you have done that, select the amount here, click on max and click on confirm. Then the thing will transfer. And if you want to send a cryptocurrency, this is for if you want to trade. If you want to use your cryptocurrency to trade on spots or derivatives, you have to transfer it from funding to your unified trading account. But if you want to send out your cryptocurrency, you have to transfer it from your unified trading account to your funding account. What do I mean? If you tap on this place now, it will switch the direction. Now you can send funds from your unified trading account to your funding account. Funding account is the only account which you will be able to receive and send out tokens to external wallets. So having known that, let me show you how to place a trade. Okay, let me show you how to spot trade. Let's say I want to buy Kaale USDT, or let me say I want to buy any cryptocurrency. If I want to buy, I can actually click on this place and search for the coin I want to buy, whether Bitcoin. If it's Bitcoin, you are going to use their acronyms. That's the small letters representing those words. You can see the pairs here. Make sure if you want to buy Bitcoin in particular, make sure the one you're selecting is Bitcoin USDT. You can see that there are many Bitcoin pairs, whether Bitcoin Euro, Bitcoin USDE, Bitcoin USDC. And now that's something you should keep in mind. If you want to buy a coin in particular and not just a pair, or not just other type of pairs, make sure to select out the one having pairs with USDT. What do I mean by that? If you go to, let's say, Notcoin, you will see not USDT, not USDC, not USDT, but make sure to look at this thing underneath them. This one says perpetual, this one says pep. No matter what you do, whether you trade futures or you trade sports, do not use this one. This is not the one you should be interested in. You should be interested in not USDT and not USDT. These two, you should be interested in them. But this first one is for sports trading. That's why you can see the sports underneath it. Why this second one is for futures trading. That's why you can see the USDT perpetuals under it. Now if I select sport, the one of sport, I can buy Notcoin immediately and I can sell it. But before that, if you want to see the chart, simply tap on this chart section or slide left. Now you can see the Notcoin chart. Now if you want to sell, just simply tap on sale or buy. It will bring you back to this page. Now if you are buying with limit order, let's go to buy. If you are buying with limit order, you have to make sure that this price or the amount here will be set automatically by you, should be set by you. That means you want to buy it at an exact price. Let's say I want to buy at 0.008903. Now I will input the amount of not coin I want to buy. You see, this is the amount of USDT to cost me, the amount of money to cost me to buy not coin. Okay, this is on sales section, sorry. Let's input the amount I want to buy. Now you can see this is the amount of money, that's USDT, I'm going to spend to buy this amount of coin at this price, which is a price I set automatically. That's what limit order means. But if you want to buy instantly, you can switch from limit order to market order. Now you can just drag it depending on the percentage of money and your money you want to use to buy the coin. You can use this slider to drag it or input it manually. Let's say I want to buy just $1, I can just type $1 there and I can click on buy. The same goes for sell. If you want to sell the market instantly, if you want to sell the coin instantly with the current market price, you just switch to market order, drag it all the way to that side. And you can also use limit order if you want to sell at a particular given price. On our next video, I don't think you need to know about the rest of them, TPSL, conditional, and the rest of them. These two are just the main important ones which you need to know. And having shown you how to spot trade, let's go ahead and show you how to place derivative trade. And by the way, you can also see that currently on Bybit you can partake on their pre-market if you want. You can see that's the pre-market section which you can partake on. Now let's go back. This is on the derivative section. Now this is where you place a trade. First of all, make sure to switch this thing from, normally it should be on cross margin. Switch from cross margin to isolated margin. I don't have time to explain that, but it's just to benefit you more. Switch to isolated margin. Having done that, if you are starting, this should be on 10x leverage. But if it's not on 10x leverage, do it manually because you are just starting and you need to understand how these things work. And currently, if I scroll down, you see a lot of orders which I have already set. So these are just limit orders which I've set. So if the market reaches that point, my order will be triggered and I'll either be on profits or loss. So that's just how it works. Now let's say I gave you guys a signal. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, let's say I want to use limit order. I want to use market order. Let's start with market order, and let's select the coin which we want to trade. I'll click on here once again, and in this case I want to trade. Let me check. Okay, Kaale USDT. So let me search for Kaale. Keep in mind you are going to see two Kaale cryptocurrencies, the first one and the second one. Make sure to check this thing underneath them. It will show you the one that is on spot and the one that is on futures or USDT perpetual. Perpetual is a form of futures trading, so you should be selecting the one of perpetuals. Now let's trade. Let me go back to TradingView, which is an app which we use for analysis. So this is according to my analysis. You can see this should be my entry. Currently I'm not yet close to my entry, so I'm expecting the coin to dump to this level before it takes off again. But for the purpose of this video, let me just show you an example of how to trade. Now I'm not going to show you how to analyze because that will be on our next video. So let's go ahead with this. First of all, let me mark out my zones. That's a zone. Okay, it's forming higher lows and higher highs. So having seen this, let's say I gave you guys a signal. Let me type. Say I gave you guys a signal like this: long Kaale USDT, entry price, market order type, long, and this is my take profit. So how you are going to place the trade is pretty simple. Let's go over to Bybit. So let me select the amount of coins which I want to use. Click on TPSL. Hope you saw where I clicked on. Click on this place, TPSL. Click on buy long because we are saying that the price is going to go up. Okay, sorry, I didn't quite set the TPSL order, but you get the point. This should be, I should set this before I placing the trade. But if you mistakenly place the trade without setting it, you can click on positions and click on set TPSL order. Our take profit price, that's our TP order, is 1.0506. 1.0506, and that should be a loss now because it seems like the price have passed our take profit. Let's check. Okay, see, our take profit should be, okay, not that. I should be going short. Sorry, I made a big mistake. Let me exit this trade. Okay, let's go in again. Now, let me place my trade. Let me place the trade. Now I'll click on TPSL. I'm predicting that the price is going to go down, not up. So I'm going to switch from long to short. Now our take profit should be 1.0516. 1.0516. And our stop loss should be on 1.0711. 1.0711. So let me just click on confirm, sell short. Now you can see that the trade is going on. That this is just a simple analysis which I just did, and you can eventually see that this will end us in profit. But in case you want to share your PNL or P&L, you just have to tap on this bar here, tap on it, and it should bring us something like this. Either you win or you lose depending on how the trade went. You can click on save and then you can share it. So that's just pretty much it. Now for limit order, let's switch to limit order. Limit order is just like, let me say I'm predicting, like, no, I want to enter at this level. I want to enter if the market reaches this point, this particular line. Now I want to enter at this point. I can place my limit order, my limit trigger price at 1.0516, since I'm predicting that, no, since I'm saying that I'm going to enter at this point. That's, I'm going to set my limit order to 1.0516. Now input the amount of USDT you want here. Currently you can see I no longer have any money here because I've used all my money placing trades. And click on TPSL order once again. Remember, if we are saying that the market will go up, we use the long order. But if we are saying that the market is going to go down, we use the short section. And let's say I'm saying that the market will drop, the price will drop to this level, 1.0300. So I'm going to type 1.0300, and setting your stop loss should be, let's say our stop loss should be this previous entry. That's 1.0623. 1.0623. Let's say this is my stop loss, and currently you can see that it's not showing me how much I should be earning versus how much I should be losing, because there is no funds on this account, so it cannot show me, unlike this first one, which is, it was showing me how much I was willing to risk to get the amount which I'm about to get. So you can actually see it. If I place the trade, this is how much I should be earning on that trade versus this is how much I should be losing if the trade goes the other way around. So I hope you get the point. Now, having understood this is just the simple way of how to use signals to place a trade on Bybit and how to use Bybit.
2,000 years later.
Few minutes later, I just discovered that we were already in profit, so I can go ahead and close this or not. By the way, if you click on that bar once again, you can go ahead and save your P&L and go ahead and share it. And going back to our analysis, that's trading view, you are going to see that we have already smashed our take profit. So you can see we can no longer see our position. So to find your position, simply click on the arrow bar, then switch from positions to P&L to find all your history. Make sure to follow me on Twitter to stay updated on all my analysis and how I use them, including some airdrop updates. And for signals, make sure to join my Telegram group and also make sure to add it to your home screen so that you can get access to it immediately.